Back again. Just fill it with gas. Changed its oil. So, this is the very first time starting this thing. So let's see. Choke it. Gas is now on. And I'll put it a bit right there. Let's see. Fuel is on. Fuel is on. Choke. Yeah. Pull the choke. Prime it. Wait now. It would help if I turned it on. That would help.
I really have no idea what I'm doing with the hydraulics on this thing. It seems like it's cavitating. The cylinders were empty, of course, so the pump has got to fill those up with fluid. I had to top up the hydraulics or the fluid a couple of times because things were just filling up. So yeah. I had a couple of little minor accidents with things there in the shop because booms were swinging and so on, but I managed to figure it out. I'm not really sure if that noise is from the relief valve or if there's not enough fluid. One thing I did have to change was the direction for the swing of the boom. I'd move one way or the other, so I just had to switch the two hoses on the spool or on the valve. So yeah, after I done that, it moved properly. But that noise, like I said, I don't know if it's the relief valve or if it's if there's not enough fluid in the system. Yeah, so I'm filling up the hydraulic fluid, or actually topping it up, because the cylinders, like I said, the cylinders were empty. And so I'm going to give it another go. It's still making that noise. I don't know if anyone out there knows if it's not enough fluid, or if the relief valve is not set properly. Any information would be certainly appreciated.
Hey everyone, so this is my first time using this Red Rock Towable excavator. So I've started digging the hole, and I've been moving some soil. Believe me, I'm not very good. It takes a lot of getting used to. It's my first time trying it, so please be kind. Here we go.
Yeah, I know this is kind of slow, and I'm really slow operating it. I just want to be very careful. This thing, when you go to drop the main boom, like it drops really quick, so you got to be very touchy with the controls. I don't want to smash up my little cart, so yeah, you got to be really slow with it first. Anyway, I want to go slow until I get comfortable. I'm using the Princess Auto Red Rock backhoe. You know, I certainly think for its size it's a capable machine. Some people seem to think that it's a toy. I don't agree with that. You know, it seems to be a good tool for its size. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you find this, you know, these videos useful, a like and a subscribe would be wonderful. Thank you.